Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you remember. Today you're supposed to give me your notebooks or PDFs, whatever suits you. Okay. After classes, you'll post it on the groups, beta. We had already decided about this before the holidays. All the 6 chapters which are done, NCERT question answers, should be posted on the group with your names. Is it fine? Such a low energy right in the morning. You have to attempt 7 classes. कैसे चलेगा बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Either you are asleep. What is it? Shall we're going to start with a new chapter today. Body fluids and circulation. Is it okay? Name any one body fluid. Name any one body fluid. Any fluid which is there in the body. Any liquid, thick liquid inside the human body. Just name it. Nobody can guess. Any thick liquid which flows inside the human body. What is it? Nobody knows. Beta blood है ना? Simplest. Chalo, let me start with this. Body fluids and circulation. First, we'll study the meaning of this word circulation. See, there are 4 things when they are transported, we use the term circulation in the human body. First is nutrients, second is oxygen, carbon dioxide, and excretory products. So you can learn them in an easier way. Respiration को याद रखो तो oxygen and CO2 याद रहेगा, and digestion को याद रखेंगे तो nutrients and excretion याद रहेगा. So circulation means transport of 4 things: nutrients, excretory products, oxygen, carbon dioxide. And where are they going to be transported to? They will be transported to the tissues of the human body. This is what we call as circulation. So what is circulation? Transport of how many things? 4 things. Transport of 4 things. Yes, बच्चे. Remember respiration and digestion. अगर ये 2 process याद रहेंगे तो ये 4 things automatically याद रहेंगे. Respiration में क्या? Oxygen and CO2 का transport. And digestion, when we are talking, it is going to be nutrients that you eat and excretion, excretory products. So circulation is a transport of these 4 things to which part?
Tissues.
Tissues of the body or organs of the body, anything you can take up. So everybody has understood whenever we need to define circulation, we need to talk about the transport of 4 things. Now, different kind of organisms have a different mechanism for circulation. Obviously circulation तो इन्हीं 4 चीजों का होगा, but method is going to be different. जो बहुत छोटे-छोटे organisms हैं बेटा, very small, very simple organism, for example sponges and coelacanths, very simple organisms. Okay, for transport they do not have any special liquid inside their body. There is no body fluid as such. They simply use water from the surroundings. Water जो body के अंदर जाएगा, it is going to carry oxygen with it, dissolved in water. And food भी साथ में जाएगा, and water, when it will come out of the body, then carbon dioxide and the waste will be thrown out of the body. So for basically transport of these 4 things, जो simple organisms हैं, what do they use beta?
Water.
What do they use? Water.
Water.
Let us talk about, very good, please बोलिए बच्चे. Complex organisms like human beings, we are a little advanced. So we have 2 kinds of liquids or fluids in our body, blood and lymph. उस दिन पढ़ा था इससे पिछले चैप्टर में, we had the lymph vessels. Okay, so basically before I move on to the next slide, what is circulation? It is a transport of how many things?
4 things.
4 things. बहुत अच्छे, please बोलिए बेटा. Which are the 4 things?
Oxygen,
CO2,
CO2, nutrients, auxiliary products.
CO2, nutrient, and
Simple organisms use what? Simple organism like coelacanths, they use what for transport? Which liquid?
Water.
water.
Complex organisms like human beings, we have 2 special liquids in our body. which help in circulation. What are the liquids?
Blood and lymph.
Blood and lymph.
Blood and lymph.
Yes. That means transport जो है circulation of these four things सब में same है या अलग अलग? We're going to have a different method for simple organisms and complex organisms, or it's going to be the same only? Different ना?
Different.
Yes. Good. मॉर्निंग में उठ के बहुत सारा हॉर्लिक्स वाला दूध पी के एंड देन कम फॉर द क्लास, थोड़ा सा जागो बेटा. लेट्स डू दिस. टाइप्स ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ये बहुत छोटी क्लास से यू मस्ट हैव डन दिस. Open type of circulatory system and closed type of circulatory system. I hope you've done this in junior classes also. Let me first talk about the open circulatory system. The blood which is pumped by the heart passes through large vessels into open spaces. Beta dekho, blood is being pumped by which organ in the body? It is the heart. This everybody knows. Blood pumping is done by which organ? Heart. अब blood तो heart से pump होके बाहर आ गया. From there it will go into vessels. Vessels are what? Tube-like structures or pipe-like structures. And then they will open into open spaces. आगे जाकर के कोई tubular structure नहीं है जिसमें blood flow करेगा. There is no closed tube-like structure. Okay, there is a cavity. खुली जगह है बिल्कुल. Cavities. What are these cavities called? They're called sinuses. What are these cavities called as?
Sinuses.
Sinuses.
Yes, I'll explain it to you further. Example, arthropod and mollusks. You know what an arthropod? What does the word arthropod mean? Arthropod. What does this word mean? What does the word arthro mean and what does the word pod mean? Anyone? Arthro, joint, and pods is legs. So those organisms or animals which have joint legs, आगे वाले दो पीछे वाले दो आपस में बीच में कहीं joined है, so they are called as arthropods or joint legs. ठीक है? चलिए. Now tell me this. When the blood which is pumped by the heart opens into cavities, खुली जगह पे spaces में कोई pipes नहीं है, कोई tube like arteries, veins कुछ नहीं है. जो भी blood heart ने pump किया, it is thrown out into open space. ऐसा नहीं है कि आर्टरीज में फ्लो करेगा या वेन्स में फ्लो करेगा, पूरा ओपन स्पेस में इट इज थ्रोन आउट. दीस ओपन स्पेसेस और कैविटीज, व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड? लेट्स हैव दिस वर्ड अगेन.
Sinuses.
Sinuses.
सिनुसेस. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सिस्टम, क्योंकि खुली जगह में है, कोई क्लोज पाइप्स नहीं है. दिस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड व्हिच काइंड ऑफ अ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम?
Open circulatory system.
Open circulatory system.
चलिए थोड़ा एडवांस ऑर्गेनिजम्स पे चलते हैं. ओके, इसको देखते हैं. Closed type of circulatory system, let me explain it to you. यहाँ पे अभी diagram देखेंगे. Blood pumped by the heart is circulated through blood vessels. It's not in open space. ठीक है? It flows in closed pipe-like structures. Which one is better? Open or closed?
Closed.
Yes, closed is better. This is more advantageous. Why it is closed, beta? Because you can regulate the flow of blood. For example, आप garden में पानी देते हैं, तो you do it with the help of a pipe. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप पाइप को प्रेस कर दीजिए या टैप को स्लो कर दीजिए, so you can control कि how much water will pass out of the pipe. But अगर open field में पानी पड़ा है, ground में, you cannot control that as it is. So we can regulate it. Regulate means it can be controlled. The flow of fluid can be precisely regulated, means we can control the amount of liquid which is flowing in the pipes. I give you the example of open circulatory system. Which two? Arthropods and mollusks. And two examples of closed circulatory system is annelids and chordates. Annelids बेटा ये वाले सारे जो भी worms होते हैं, and chordates जो हम लोग हैं, all of us. Who are chordates? Those who have what?
Ma'am, those
Notochord.
Good. अच्छा चलो इसको देखते हैं. See, this is the heart. Blood is being pumped out. And can you see blood is coming out? ये जो arrow दिख रहा है. This shows the heart is pumping out blood and blood is coming out and flowing in these closed vessels. ये vessels closed है. वापस, of course, it is going to go back to the heart for pumping. बट ब्लड ये जो रेड रेड वाला पार्ट है बेटा, ये ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा है। इधर भी देखो, ये दिख रहा है पूरा रेड रेड पार्ट जो आपको दिख रहा है, blood is flowing in these closed vessels. So this is closed circulatory system or open circulatory system?
Closed circulatory
Closed.
system.
See, कुछ ऐसे closed vessels आपको इसके अंदर दिख रहे हैं. This is an annelid. I told you all worms belong to this category. आगे चलो इसको देखते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो. This heart, can you see heart? The blood is coming out. ये आगे जाके सारा खुली स्पेस में दिख रही बेटा, यहाँ पे ब्लड आप बाहर जा रहा है, यहाँ पे जा रहा है, यहाँ पे जा रहा है. दिस इज एन ओपन स्पेस, ओपन कैविटी. व्हाट वाज दिस ओपन कैविटी कॉल्ड एज? आई टोल्ड यू. अरे व्हाट वाज द ओपन कैविटी कॉल्ड ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में? एस से स्टार्ट हो रहा था.
मैम
Yes.
सिनेसिस.
यस, सिनेसिस. अच्छा आप लोग बताएंगे, दिस इज ओपन और क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम?
Open.
ओपन.
हार्ट से ब्लड पंप होके दिस इज ओपनिंग इनटू, कैन यू सी दीज एरोज? इट इज ओपनिंग इनटू दिस एम्प्टी स्पेस. ओके, कैविटी. व्हाट इज दिस प्लेस स्पेस कॉल्ड?
Sinuses.
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 Two examples, जल्दी जल्दी. Two examples of open circulatory system.
Molluscus.
Yes.
ऑर्थोपॉड्स.
बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए, let's do this. Blood is flowing from here. It is flowing in vessels. ये देखिए बेटा, इसके अंदर में सब closed मामला है, कुछ भी बाहर नहीं जा रहा है. If you see, these are all closed pipes. So these are blood vessels. So this is open type or closed type?
क्लोज टाइप.
Two examples.
एनालिड एंड कॉर्डेट.
Which one is better?
Closed.
Closed, because you
Closed.
can control the amount of blood. चलिए, let us talk about the heart of vertebrates. You have already told me कि vertebrates कौन होते हैं, कौन से organisms को vertebrates बोलते हैं. So there is one very important property of the heart of vertebrates जो हमें याद रखना है. All vertebrates have a chambered heart. Chambers जरूर होंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, मतलब basically not one of course, 2, 3, 4 chambers, but chambers जरूर होते हैं. In the heart of which organisms?
Vertebrates.
Vertebrates. चलिए देखते हैं कैसे कैसे हार्ट किसका दिखता है. Let us talk about fishes. देखो बेटा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखिए, ये वाला जो पार्ट दिख रहा है ऊपर, this is one atrium ऊपर, ये वाला, and this is your ventricle. ये वाला ऊपर एट्रियम, और ये जो लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, ये वाला नीचे लीफ की तरह दिख रहा है. दिस इज अ वेंट्रिकल. सो वन एट्रियम, वन वेंट्रिकल. हाउ मेनी चेंबर्स इन फिशेस?
Two chamber.
Two chambers. Always remember, fishes का जो vein, this ventricle part होता है, that looks something like a leaf. You should be able to identify also. चलिए, amphibians, कुछ हमारे हार्ट की तरह लग रहा है ये. Yes? Yes or no? Amphibians, they've got two atria, one ventricle. How many atrium? देखो बेटा, singular is called atrium. What is the plural we have?
Atria.
Atria.
Atria. So amphibians, they have two atrias and only one ventricle. Let's do reptiles. However, we have an exception, that is crocodiles. This question was asked in KBC also. I don't know if you remember. This question was asked in KBC also, ये वाला. Which is the only reptile which does not have a three-chambered heart. So it is which one?
Crocodile.
Yes.
Crocodile.
Very good. Very good. It's three-chambered, incomplete partition for ventricle. यही condition है बेटा, two atria, one ventricle, लेकिन partition clear नहीं है इसमें. And now let's come to crocodiles, birds, mammals. बहुत clear. How many chambers?
4 chambers.
4 chambers. ठीक है? What is the difference between amphibian and reptiles heart? ये भी 3 chambered है, ये भी 3 chambered है. यहाँ पे ventricle बहुत clear, अलग से partition से दिखता है बच्चा. But here the partition is not very clear, तो ventricle अलग से बहुत clearly नहीं दिखता है. Although this is also 3 chambered. So give me an example where we have 2 chambers, a vertebrate which has 2 chambers.
Fishes.
Fishes. Those vertebrates which have 3 very clear demarcated chambers, very clear partition chambers.
Amphibians.
Amphibians.
Those category which have 3 chambers, but the partition for ventricle is not clear.
Reptiles.
Reptile.
Reptile.
And crocodiles, birds, and mammals, they've got how many chambers?
4
Four
chambers.
4.
2 ventricles and 2
Atrium.
ventricles
Atrium.
and 2 atria. Yes, I wanted this word, not atrium, singular. This is what? Atria.
Atria.
चलिए आगे चलते हैं. I'll be asking you a few questions once I do this. Let's do this. Circulatory pathways. There are different patterns of circulation in vertebrates. It could be single circulation, incomplete double circulation, or it could be double circulation. चलिए समझते हैं. See, this is try and understand this single circulation. How many types of circulations are there?
3
Single.
types.
Yes, this is single. This is incomplete double, and this is double circulation. I'll be going into details of this. आप समझ लेना बेटा. Single circulation. First one we are doing is single circulation. It is seen in fishes. Single circulation you will find in which category of organisms?
Fishes.
Fishes. देखो बेटा कैसे single circulation हो रहा है. Single circulation मतलब एक ही चीज circulate हो रहा है. Heart receives impure blood only. It receives only which blood? Heart में सिर्फ कौन सा blood जाता है? Blood which is pure or impure?
Impure blood.
देखो बेटा पाथ कैसा रहता है फिर हम डायग्राम देखेंगे. The impure blood का मतलब deoxygenated blood. Yes. When I say impure blood, we mean which blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated blood. Okay. अब इसका पाथ क्या रहता है? We said impure blood will go to the heart. यानी deoxygenated blood कहाँ गया? Heart में गया. वहाँ पे oxygenate हो गया. Then it goes to where? It goes to the heart. We are doing single circulation. From heart, it will go to which are the respiratory
Gills.
organs in fishes?
Gills.
Gills. Yes. Gills may the water when it enters the mouth of these fishes, there is oxygen dissolved in water. So it is by gills that your blood gets oxygenated. What is the blood is going to get oxygenated, and then this oxygenated blood will go to body parts. From body parts, when it comes out, it's again going to become deoxygenated, and then again it will go to the heart. मतलब हार्ट में तो सिर्फ एक ही टाइप का ब्लड जा रहा है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड. बताओ बच्चा.
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood heart में गया, and then heart से it is going to
Gills.
gills. Okay. In gills, what will happen? It will get
Oxygenated.
yes, and then it will go to different body parts. From there, it will take in CO2, so deoxygenate हो जाएगा. And then वापस, when it comes to the heart, it is which kind of a blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated.
मतलब हार्ट में सिर्फ एक ही टाइप का ब्लड जा रहा है, and that is which one? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Deoxygenated.
Yes, because only single type of a blood is going. And this is single circulation. What is this called as? Single circulation. And this is found in which categories of organisms?
Fishes.
Fishes. If you remember, I told you 3 ways. One was single. Which was the second one? पिछला slide में just
Incomplete double circulation.
very good. Incomplete double circulation. इसमें क्या होता है? Let's see this. Incomplete double circulation. This you will find in amphibians and reptiles. Like we said, single circulation is found in fishes. Incomplete double circulation is found in amphibians and reptiles. Let us understand this. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood. Left one will receive which blood?
Oxygenated blood.
Yes. And the right one is going to receive deoxygenated blood. देखो बच्चा. There are 2 atrias. So the left atrium is receiving which kind of a blood?
Oxygenated blood.
Acha, before I explain this to you, let me go back and show you the chambers in amphibians. How many chambers were there amphibians and reptiles?
3.
3 chambers.
अब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. 2 atria and 1
Ventricle.
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 बच्चे एट्रिया तो 2 अलग अलग हैं. सो एक में ऑक्सीजनेटेड एक में डीऑक्सीजनेटेड हो गया. बट क्या वेंट्रिकल 2 है? Do we have 2 ventricles in amphibians and reptiles, or we've got a single ventricle?
Single.
Single ventricle. So यहाँ पे जाके blood mix up हो जाएगा. That is ऊपर तो अलग अलग है, नीचे mix up हो जाता है. So we cannot call it as a double circulation. It is incomplete double circulation. ठीक है, आप समझ में आएगा आपको. Let me show it to you. See this. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood. The right atrium gets deoxygenated blood. However, they get mixed up in the single ventricle. So ventricle में जो blood है, that is mixed blood. Because we had only one ventricle. That is why I told you in the beginning only chambers जरूर याद रखना पड़ेगा हमको. Understood incomplete double circulation? ऊपर तो बेटा double है. Because left one is having oxygenated blood. Right atrium is having which kind of a blood?
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated blood.
But ventricle तो एक ही है. So इधर से भी blood यहीं आ गया, इधर से भी आ गया. So the blood is going to get mixed up because the ventricle is only one. So this kind of a circulation will be known as which circulation?
Incomplete double circulation.
Did you understand why it is called incomplete double circulation? चलिए double में चलते हैं तो बहुत simple है. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood. So this deoxygenated wala is going to right ventricle and he oxygenated will go to left ventricle. मतलब दोनों atria, दोनों ventricles अपना अलग-अलग circulation हो रहा है because we have got how many ventricles in birds and mammals? Birds and mammals, we got how many chambers had beta?
4.
4.
4.
So atrium में भी दोनों में अलग-अलग, ventricles में भी अलग-अलग. There is no mixing up of blood in the ventricles. That is why this circulation is known as. What is this
Double
circulation?
circulation.
Double circulation.
I'm going back to the slide and you will explain it to me इधर से. चलो यहाँ पे. This category of organisms will have which kind of blood circulation? Single, incomplete, double or double?
Single.
Single.
Single, because there is one atrium and one.
Ventricle.
Ventricle.
Very good. इन दोनों में क्या होगा बेटा? Amphibians and reptiles में बताइए.
Incomplete double circulation.
Incomplete double circulation.
Incomplete double इसलिए क्योंकि ऊपर तो double है. We had how many atria?
2.
2. And how many ventricles?
One.
1.
1. So नीचे when the blood goes to the ventricles, वहाँ पे mixing हो जाएगा. So ventricle में which kind of a blood will flow? Oxygenated, deoxygenated or mixed?
Mixed.
Mixed.
Okay, it's going to be mixed. So this kind of a circulation is known as.
Incomplete
Complete double circulation.
Very good. चलिए last में चलते हैं. Let's talk about mammals. Okay, which kind of a circulation?
Double circulation.
double circulation.
Double circulation.
Atria में भी कोई blood का mixing नहीं हो रहा है because you got how many atria?
2.
2. And ventricles में भी mixing नहीं होगा because you got how many ventricles बेटा?
2.
2.
So will the blood get mixed up?
No, ma'am.
No.
It will
No,
never happen.
ma'am.
So if you remember these, okay, how many chambers are there, it will be very easy for you to recollect and find out. सबको समझ में आ गया what is single circulation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Income single circulation means how many chambers?
2
2.
chambers.
Very good. Very good. Incomplete double circulation means how many chambers?
3.
3.
Chambers.
बहुत बढ़िया. And double circulation proper हो रहा है, that means how many chambers?
4.
4.
4.
चलिए, very nice. आगे चलते हैं. I hope you know the organisms also. Now we are going to talk about the human circulatory system, blood vessels and heart. थोड़ा सा complicating लग रहा है, हम इसको एक साथ नहीं पढ़ेंगे, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस, स्टेप वाइज चलेंगे. I'll start from here. The blood vascular system. When I say blood vascular system, first I'll talk about the composition of blood. Most important thing, the blood constitutes is plasma. How much % of blood is plasma?
55%.
5%.
अच्छा, ये जो बेस दिख रहा है ना बेटा, ये येलो येलो स्ट्रॉ कलर्ड स्ट्रॉ, यू नो, भूसा, येलोइश, this all entire base is your plasma. You should remember that the pH of plasma is around 7.4. अब बताइए, is it acidic or it is alkaline?
Alkaline.
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 Alkaline or strongly alkaline या slightly alkaline?
Slightly alkaline.
Slightly
Slightly
alkaline.
alkaline.
Because, very good, because 7 पे तो neutral value आता है बेटा. You know 7 is neutral ना? So 7.4 है, तो it means very slightly alkaline है. ज़्यादा alkaline नहीं होता है आपका ये. And this is straw colored. Just remember three things about plasma. 55% of the human blood is plasma. Number 2, it is straw colored and its pH is around 7.5, 7.4. जो बेसिकली बाकी बचा हुआ 45% है, उसमें बाकी आपके ब्लड वाला वो आ जाता है आरबीसी, डब्ल्यूबीसीज एंड प्लेटलेट्स. ओके, now let us talk about the composition of blood. The major 55%, this is your blood vessel actually. ये देखो, इसके अंदर ब्लड फ्लो कर रहा है, ये दिखाई जो बड़ा सा गोला पाइप की तरह मुंह लग रहा है इसका. This is looking like a pipe. This is your blood vessel. This is the blood which is flowing. So this straw colored base yellow वाला जो color है, that is your plasma. How much % is plasma?
55%.
55%.
55%. What is the color?
Straw color.
Straw color. Very nice. And एक चीज और, is it acidic or basic?
Basic.
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 What is the pH?
7.4.
7.4.
Okay. 45% is what? What constitutes 45% of the human blood?
The blood vessels.
Blood vessels. When we, not the blood vessels actually, blood vessels to arteries and veins को बोलेंगे बेटा. The blood cells, it is RBCs, RBCs and
WBC and
WBCs and
platelets.
चलो 55% plus 45% total कितना हो गया हमारा? 55 plus 45 is
100.
100. So we have got the composition of blood. Human blood composition we already have done. चलिए ये देखते हैं, थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग है. Let us talk about the constitution of plasma. सबसे ज्यादा तो प्लाज्मा ही है. 55% is what? It is plasma. So now we need to understand what is plasma made up of. अच्छा, just look at the figure. Tell me, सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा चीज है प्लाज्मा में?
Water.
Yes, it is water. कितना water है?
90 to 92%.
Very good. So we need to know this about plasma. सबसे पहले तो plasma is 55% in blood. अब और आगे break करते हैं. If you talk about plasma, then water is 90 to 92%. And we have special proteins which are present in the plasma. They are known as plasma proteins. Mainly beta, we've got 3 plasma proteins. Water, of course, is just acting like a solvent. जिसका कोई खास function यहाँ पे नहीं है. Fibrinogen. Most important protein जो आपका plasma में है, that is called fibrinogen. This is very important because it helps in blood clotting. Okay, it helps in, see, the blood is getting clot. If the blood is clotting, then what is this called? It is because of which plasma protein? Tell me, what is it called? Fibrinogen. हाँ, because बेटा जब clotting होता है ना, जब चोट लगती है, वो वूंड आपका भर जाता है, that process is called clotting. तो अगर कभी चोट लगी हो, किसी को देखा हो आपने, तो जब स्किन दोबारा से आना स्टार्ट करता है तो बहुत थिन थिन फाइबर्स दिखाई देते हैं. जब चोट लग जाती है, छिल जाता है कहीं पे, तो थिन फाइबर लाइक स्किन आता है पहले, बहुत पतला पतला, थ्रेड लाइक. fiber. That is why this protein is called fibrinogen. Second most important plasma protein is your globulins. They act as antibodies. अभी याद होगा जब कोविड का चल रहा था, so whoever was positive earlier, the doctor suggested that please donate plasma. सुना था ना? Donate plasma in COVID, because when they donate plasma, which protein enters the patient's body? बोलो बच्चा, it is on your screen. Globulins. Now
Globulins.
supposing a person had become positive, so obviously the body must have prepared antibodies to fight against this COVID virus. So बीच में doctors were suggesting that plasma donate करिए. Plasma donate करने से क्या फायदा हो रहा है? Supposing a patient के पास plasma donate होके जाता है body में, then the plasma contains globulins which act as antibodies, so that patient will also be able to fight against the COVID virus. Everybody understood why doctors were suggesting to donate plasma to COVID patients?
Yes, sir.
And third most important protein is albumin. This maintains the blood pressure. So how many main plasma proteins we have? Fibrinogen, globulin, and albumin. अच्छा, कौन सा वाला प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन एंटीबॉडीज पे हेल्प करता है फॉर्मेशन? It acts as an antibody. Globulins. Which one helps in blood coagulation?
Fibrinogen.
Fibrinogen.
And which one maintains blood pressure?
Albumins.
Albumin.
Yes, Bache. Now see, apart from this, we have glucose, amino acids, which give energy and help in growth. We have some inorganic substances like sodium ions, magnesium, chloride, bicarbonate, calcium ions. They also regulate in osmosis, basically maintaining the blood pressure. There are gases, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, which help in transport. So chaliye gin lete hain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 important things in plasma. Number 1 is
Water.
Water.
वाटर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा. वाटर इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, चाहे वो खुद कुछ करे या नहीं करे, ये सारी चीजें उसमें डिसॉल्व होंगी, सॉल्युबल होंगी, तभी काम कर पाएंगे. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी से वाटर इज अ सॉल्वेंट. प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स ऑल्दो दे आर ओनली 6 to 8%, बट द ह्यूमन बॉडी के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है बेटा प्लाज्मा. आप सोचिए, अगर प्लाज्मा नहीं है तो फाइब्रिनोजन नहीं है, फाइब्रिनोजन नहीं है तो क्या नहीं होगा? व्हाट विल नॉट टेक प्लेस?
Blood clot.
यस,
Blood clotting.
छोटा सा ऑयल पिन भी अगर लग जाएगा तो क्या होगा? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट अ डिजीज जिसमें ब्लड क्लॉट नहीं होता है? बताओ. देयर इज अ डिजीज, देयर आर सम पीपल हु सफर फ्रॉम दिस डिजीज. उनका ये वाला प्रोटीन या तो बहुत कम होता है ब्लड में, या मिसिंग बहुत ही कम, नेग्लिजिबल होता है. सो अगर उनको थोड़ा सा भी चोट लग जाता है, सो दे डाई. उनका डेथ हमेशा ब्लड डिस्चार्ज के कारण ही होता है, बिकॉज क्लॉटिंग नहीं होता है. Anybody can tell me? It is known as a royal disease. Any idea? शायद 10th में पढ़ा है आपने बेटा. अच्छा, पहले ये बताइए, what is clotting? Roughly, in your own words, what is clotting? When you get hurt, your blood comes out, तो वो फ्लो करता रहता है या रुक जाता है थोड़ी देर के बाद?
It stops.
Okay. Whenever a normal person gets hurt, तो bleeding होता रहता है, कंटिन्यू करता है, या थोड़ी देर के बाद रुक जाता है?
It is stop.
Yes, because blood clotting हो जाता है, blood starts coagulating, जम जाता है बेटा, and then what happens? It stops flowing. This is because of a protein. What is the name of the protein?
Fibrinogen.
However, very good. However, there are certain patients in whose plasma this fibrinogen protein is either missing or it is in a negligible amount. तो उनके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम आता है कि अगर थोड़ा भी चोट लगेगा तो ब्लड कोआगुलेट ही नहीं होता है, ब्लड निकलता रहेगा एंड डेथ हो जाता है. द डिजीज इज कॉल्ड हीमोफीलिया. व्हाट इज द डिजीज कॉल्ड?
Hemophilia.
बहुत ही कम लोगों में ये होता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ रॉयल डिजीज बिकॉज द इंग्लैंड का रॉयल फैमिली, क्वीन एलिजाबेथ का जो फैमिली है, दैट फैमिली, रॉयल फैमिली सफर्स फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉब्लम. हीमोफिलिक, दे आर ऑल हीमोफिलिक. प्लाज्मा में फाइब्रिनोजन बहुत ही कम है. सो इट इज सेड कि उनके पैलेस में जितना भी चीजें हैं, नथिंग हैज एजेस. यू नो व्हाट आर एजेस? Let's
Yes,
talk
ma'am.
about your school table. So those four corners, they're called edges. So why do you think edges are not there? Because normally जो चोट वोट लगता है, that always takes place when you by mistake also hit against an edge of a surface. तो चोट लगती है, blood निकलता है. So for security reasons, edges are kept circular. Most of the things are made circular there. Edges है ही नहीं. Reason being to prevent what? To prevent any accidents. God forbid if there is an accident and blood flow करेगा, तो फिर उसमें क्या चीज बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी? उसका clotting बहुत मुश्किल है. It will not stop easily and they may die because of this. So this problem is called hemophilia. This is very rare in females, I'll tell you. Okay? Females में ये बहुत कम होता है. It's only in the male members ज्यादातर. Females are carriers, but उन पे effect नहीं आता है. So everybody now very quickly. What is the disease जिसमें ये वाला प्रोटीन नहीं होता है प्लाज्मा में and blood clotting नहीं होता है?
Hemophilia.
Yes, it is called
Ma'am, is it
hemophilia.
by birth?
Beta, it is actually hereditary. It is actually hereditary only, so we carry it by birth only, no doubt. It's an inherited bleeding disorder. इसमें spontaneous bleeding बहुत ज्यादा होता है. Females are carriers, but they are hardly affected by this. You read about the royal family, Prince Charles और ये और वो, आपको काफी कुछ इसमें मिल जाएगा आपको पढ़ने के लिए. If you're interested in knowing something extra, आप पढ़िएगा. You will find out about this problem in the royal family. Basically, of course, it is a genetical inherited disease only. It comes from the parents only. There are certain treatments, but it is believed कि वो पूरी तरह से हम इसको ठीक कर नहीं सकते हैं. There are certain kind of hemophilia A, hemophilia B, but different causes है. So mutation हो जाता है. Basically जो gene है उसमें थोड़ा सा mutation हो जाता है. So ये जो clotting factor है, ये जो protein है, ये बनना बंद हो जाता है. Because of this, they cannot go for blood clotting. We also call it as a royal disease because of this continuing in many generations in the royal family. But it is in effect इसका males पर ही आता है. So fibrinogen, globulins, albumins. Albumin, I told you, blood pressure, glucose, amino acids, and this is also blood pressure. So how many main constituents of plasma? 5 now. बच्चा थोड़ा सा बोला करो, ऐसे तो बात कैसे करेंगे? Even if I want to talk something extra with you people hardly speak. चलो, let's talk about this. जल्दी से बताइए. Circulation is transport of how many things?
Oxygen, CO2, and excreted
Yes.
products.
Yes. Sponges and cylindrates. They use which medium for transport?
Water.